Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. So today we're looking at the NYC Environmental Protection website at one.nyc.gov. And what happens when your water gets shut off? What are the shut-off impacts? So when something's going on, when they're repairing leaking pipes, when they're installing new water, when your distribution main on your block, or there's some emergency happening with a water main break, water may need to be temporarily shut off, especially if it's for your well-being. So the Department of Design and Construction, the DDC, as well as contractors may be working with certain people to perform work at that time. So if you get a water shut-off warning, a notice to repair, or a water shut-off notice for non-compliance or an emergency, you can take a look at these different notices for information. So what are some reasons your water may get shut off? What are some impacts? So when work's underway, you could potentially see something once the service is restored. What might you see? Something like discolored water. That may be a brown or yellow discoloration of your water, and that should be a temporary condition. And that does not indicate the presence of harmful contaminants. Though discolored water is not harmful, make sure to run the faucet until your water is clean and cold before using it to drink or cook. You may have chlorine odor, and your water may look temporarily and have the odor of chlorine due to the pipe cleaning process that's used to do the water main work, and this odor will dissipate over time, and you can report water that smells by calling 311. You may have low water pressure, and you may have some temporarily, or you may experience some low water pressure, and you need to clean out your aerator of sediment or just replace the water filter in your refrigerator. If the problem keeps going on, make sure to contact them as well. And you may have open fire hydrants. Now, they look for fire hydrants to flush water distribution systems during repair work, and they may be left running overnight. And usually, if there is a flooding condition, and you don't have to report that, but that's something to keep in mind. Also, if your water service doesn't come back on, and within the time that's indicated, turn on a faucet in your home and listen for rushing air. You can also check if your neighbors have water, and make sure to check your main valve or house and make sure that's turned back on. Now, when your water does come back on, if you see anything like that, it may be a good idea to test your water periodically just to make sure after everything was restored that there's no contaminants or problems with the water.